Welcome. In this class, I will walk you through the transition of dropping back into wheel pose. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button of this page just to support the channel. That would mean a lot to me, and thank you very much. We are going to dispel a lot of the myths that go with the drop back. You do not have to be super flexible for this transition. And I'm going to offer you a neuromechanic tip as to how to access our global extensor tone. Extensor tone simply means all of the muscles in the body that allows our body to go into extension. And so what happens when we drop back into wheel is that our spine is coming into this hyperextension. And for all back bends, all heart openers, it's really important to keep the glutes active and engaged in order to take that weight off the low back. And one simple yet transformational way as to how to make the drop back feel great on your body is to let your eyes look up into your eyelids. And what that does is that it activates and upregulates an area of our brain called the cerebellum. The cerebellum is also known as our little brain. It takes up 10% of the brain's total volume, yet contains 80% of its neurons. So this area of our brain is responsible for accuracy, coordination, and balance. And a really great way to apply the eyes up method is in all of our heart openers, whether that's camel, whether that's bow pose, whether that's anjaneyasana, anything that is going to get our spines into extension. So with all heart openers, it's really important to go very slow. And a great way to work the strength in your back body is through this drill called a trust fall. So you're going to cross your arms across your chest, tuck your toes behind you, or you could come onto the tops of your feet, engage your glutes as you lower down, let your eyes look up, then come back out. This is really great for strengthening the quads as well. And you're going to do this several times until you feel confident enough to drop back into wheel. So we're going to walk through this together. Tuck your toes. Elevate your shoulders towards your ears. Then I want you to externally rotate the arm bones. Retract through the shoulders. Then from here, go very slow. I want your eyes to look up towards the eyelids. Keep pushing the hips forward. Engage the glutes. Keep looking up. Keep looking up until you drop back into your wheel pose. Now, it may seem a little scary to drop back into wheel, so always go very slow. And if you want to develop more into that back body strength, a really nice pose to get there is through locust pose and shalabhasana. This is one of the most important yoga asanas out there because we hardly spend a lot of time strengthening our back body versus other areas of our body. And we want to work this as a total body experience. So allow your eyes to look up in all of your heart opening shapes. Let me know how this goes for you. If you want to integrate more neuromechanic drills into your practice for extensor tone and for flexion tone, please check out the link in the description box below for my total brain and body warm-up. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and I hope that you can incorporate those trust falls into your practice because those are excellent in strengthening the quads and strengthening the back body, and you do not have to be flexible to drop back into wheel. Keep the eyes looking up and have fun with it, play. And if you're scared to drop back, just always put a couple of cushions around you or have someone spot you in this transition. Have fun and let me know how it goes for you.